What's up, everyone? In today's video, I wanted to show you how to get this super easy, soft glam Russian bombshell look. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. As always, if you like these videos, please subscribe. I'm starting off with some primer and just going straight in with my foundation. And for today's video, I wanted to do a little voiceover chit chat. And the topic is going to be soft feminine energy. There's a shift that happens when you stop needing to prove anything and you realize peace feels better than validation. You start moving differently, you speak less, but everything you say carries energy. You stop rushing, you let people think what they want, and you stay focused on your own alignment. That's when the energy changes. Power stops being about control and it becomes about presence. It's that grounded confidence that says, I know who I am. You start craving quiet mornings, sacred moments that pull you back to yourself, finding joy in the everyday moments, the ones that remind you you're already living the life you once dreamed of. You learn that self-care isn't indulgent, it's your foundation. Your rituals become your language, skincare becomes a meditation, making your space beautiful becomes an act of devotion. Every deliberate choice turns into a declaration. I belong, I am worthy. And as you pour energy into those rituals, life starts responding, not through chaos, but through flow, not through effort, but through ease. Manifestation stops being an idea and it becomes embodiment. It no longer is about forcing outcomes, it's about becoming the version of you who naturally attracts them. Softness turns into your strength, stillness becomes your edge, patience becomes your power. You realize control isn't about holding tighter, it's about trusting deeper. You stop chasing what isn't aligned. You start allowing what's meant for you to find its way. That's real power. It's quiet but undeniable. It's magnetic without trying. It's confidence without noise. You don't need to announce your becoming. You just live it. Because the glow isn't something you create, it's something you protect. And somewhere between your breath, your ritual, and your reflection, you realize you've already become the person you were waiting to be. I hope this video reminds you of the strength that's already within you. I love you all, and I will list all the products below. And as always, thank you for watching.